What are you opening? Can I see? Whoa. Okay, are you gonna get 2? Or 3 twins or triplets?
How about I get 3? I really want to get the 3.
Okay, pull the string. Pull the string right, yeah, right here. Pull that one right here. And then, yeah, pull it. Go ahead, pull it.
I can't pull it.
Yeah.
Just let me pull it.
Oh, right, help you pull it? Okay. So these are the birth certificates. And then, which one of these is it?
This one.
Let me see. Move your hand. Let me see. Which one? Which one do you think it is?
These ones.
You want those 3?
Mm-hmm.
What if they're 2? Which one do you want if they're 2?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, you want those 3, but which one if there's 2?
1, 2, 3.
Those are 2.
1, 2, 3.
No, just 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And I want these ones.
Okay, here's your bag, and go ahead and open the string.
I think there's 3 babies in there.
How many babies do you have? Twins or triplets?
Oh, no, I want these ones.
Okay, open it. The suspense is killing me.
Where is? Mommy.
You got it, Bubba. Here, just pull it from right.
Need the scissors?
No, she got it. Here, I'm gonna get you scissors. Let me see the string. I don't want to rip the blanket. Go ahead. You got twins. It's red. Hey, that's a strawberry. Or an apple. That's this one. Yay. Let me see. Here, put them in. Put them right there. Flip it over. All right, which one is that in the picture?
Apple.
Which one is the apple in the picture? Is it that one? All right, Vivian got that one.
Now the cool. Now I need and the blanket. I'll put this one on.
Hey, somebody else is here. Hi, Violet.
And this one. Yeah.
Hi.
Bye. Good night. Good night.
Hey.
And my babies. And there's a purse.
Okay. Bye, Vivian.
Bye.